After using Hostinger for more than 6 years myself, I can definitely tell you that it's one of the best choices that you can make as a web developer or a business owner for your websites. But why? In this video I will go through the features that put Hostinger in this position and were able to keep me hostage to their services in a good way. Also, I will add a referral link that gives you additional 20% off on any of the hosting plans on the Hostinger if you would like to purchase it during this video. Let's start. So I will start with the feature that brought me to the Hostinger in the first place and that you cannot beat. You will not find a better deal. This is a price. So their price, and I'm talking specifically about the $3 per month price, is just insane. Check this out. Within the $3 per month, you get a 100 website limit. You have a 100 gigabyte SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, and what originally brought me here is the free domain. You receive a free domain on your purchase in here. Additionally, you receive a free SSL certificate, which is also an amazing deal. So when I was originally moving to the Hostinger, these two features alone, I had to pay like $30 for that, like $15 for SSL certificate, as I remember, and $10 per the domain seems fair. And you actually can get like .com domain. So a lot of hosting plans, they use like get a free domain and it's like XYZ domain or something like that. Next feature, without even going into the dashboard, which you will receive with the Hostinger, is the speed. So the best way I found to test the hosting speed is to test their own speed, because usually their page is hosted on their own hosting, right? So if they cannot make their own website fast enough, how they can make my website fast? So this is the test for the Hostinger in the Lighthouse in the Google. I have a really great video about how to check the website and how to improve the website speed other than the hosting. As a matter of fact, I do mention the Hostinger in this video, so I will add a link in here. Here you can see that they nail it. The only other website that I know that can beat that is Google. Google receives 100 in performance, but Hostinger is better in SEO. So Hostinger is ultimately fast hosting. If you put your website in here, you can be sure that your website will receive a really good speed. Specifically, if your website is on WordPress, because in this plan and the lower plans, they have a WordPress acceleration. So your WordPress website will be even faster with the Hostinger. Now, the third point I want to add is Hostinger's support. A lot of people tell that like they have a great support, etc. But Hostinger support is superior. They will not only respond to you in a fast manner, which we will test in a second, they will help you with your problems on the website. So they will not just send you an article and tell you, hey, this is what you can test. They will actually log into your account, they will find the problem, they will ask your permission, and they will fix it for you. I mean problems like you getting logged out of your WordPress, you are not able to get access to the website, you have 500 problems on the website, you have some malware on the website, whatever it is, they will address the problem. So now with the chat, I would like to see in how soon I will get connected to a representative, getting real answer from a human and what they are able to do. So I will start with the SSL certificate. I will ask them if my SSL certificate is active. So this was really funny. Even before I finished writing my sentence, which took literally 20 seconds, I got connected with a human. So let's do the experiment. So I will send this and we will see what they will reply with. But basically, before even I wrote the question to them, I got connected to a human who is ready to help. And we are getting there. They started replying, and it was 3 minutes. 3 minutes is what it took for the human to reply, and she is asking for additional 5 to 10 minutes of the time to actually look into the issue. Right now it says this is Nadia, and she's from Vilnius, Lithuania, and it's 5:22 in Lithuania. So they actually care. Okay, so while we are waiting for the chat support to get back to us, let me show you the last general feature that I wanted to mention right now. I have several specific technical features that I will add after this one. The biggest thing that brought to me is how easy it is to launch a website within the Hostinger. Let me show you what I mean. So for that case, I will go into one of my websites, I will go into the subdomains, and I will assume that I just bought a domain in here, right? So I will create a new subdomain, which will be, let's say, test. Let's create it. So right now, imagine that you just got a new domain. What you would do like typically is that you would buy hosting, you will go inside, you will download the WordPress, you will go in, you will then unfold the WordPress and you will install all of that. With the Hostinger, you can just go to the website, auto installer, select WordPress, give your website a name. So let's do a test, administrator email. Let's leave it that one. Let's give it some password. And now in here, you just choose the domain where you would like to install the WordPress. You can leave everything as usual. You can choose a specific subdirectory in here. We don't care about that. We just want it to be really simple. Once you've added that, you choose what version of the WordPress you would like to install, what language it should be, if you want any automatic updates, etc., and you click install. This is it. Your website is done. Your website is ready. So here you can see I have the test.forbunin.com. So let's open that test.forbunin.com. And as you can see, there is a website already in here. It took me like literally 30 seconds to launch a WordPress website. Now what you can do is that you can go to WordPress overview, and once you're in here, you will go to the edit website, and in there it will redirect you to the login page automatically, so you don't have to search for it. It will log you in because you just created a password and the login, so it knows them, and you have access basically to your website within seconds. This is just insane. If you ever built a website yourself, you know that this process usually takes like 40 minutes, maybe an hour. But in here you go, it's done. And as you can see, this website, which was created a few seconds ago, already comes with SSL certificate. Now, it's a perfect timing. I just got a response from their team, so just now, and it's 10 minutes, 29 seconds that it took for Hostinger team to look into my website, to verify it, to reinstall the SSL certificate on my website, and then to send me a confirmation of that and showing that SSL works and asking me if it works on my end. Where else you would get that? I work with a lot of different support teams. I can tell you nowhere. Now, let me give you 3 additional, more technical features from Hostinger, which I definitely love and you might really appreciate. First one is emails. Using the Hostinger account, you can create a branded email within a second. So here you can see I was able to generate branded emails, professional looking ones. You can use either Hostinger's email client, or you can redirect this email, so you can forward these emails to your own email setting. Once you create your email, it gives you several apps that you can hook in your email to and then start using it right away. Next, more technical feature that I had a lot of problems with on different hosting plans is the PHP version. What I mean by that is that a lot of hostings, they will just switch all of their clients to a new PHP version, which will break your website eventually. Hostinger allows you to choose which PHP version you want to stay in. Also, you can choose much older versions, so you can just set it up for your browser and forget about it. It will not automatically update your PHP version. And the last feature I wanted to mention is the quick check of your WordPress security. So in this tab, if you go to WordPress security, you can see if your WordPress is up to date. You can see what plugins you have that needs to be updated, if there is any vulnerability detected, and what you need to update. Additionally, you can go to security and malware scanner, and if you suspect that there is something wrong with your website, you can double check it and it will show you if there is any problems that Hostinger can see. So if you thought about switching the hosting plans or trying the Hostinger, it's your call to do that. It's basically risk-free, so you have a 30-day satisfaction guarantee with additional 20% discount if you click on my link below. If you found this video helpful, I think you will also enjoy my video about the speed optimization, which will be right here. Like this video so other people will be able to find it, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Have a great day. Bye.